Hey guys, Kyle here, and I want to talk about how to become a multi-millionaire. So wherever you are in your journey, if you're starting a business or you've just been looking up content, you've been interested in starting an online business because you want to create a different lifestyle, or you're working a job and you feel like you want to transition to a business, I'm going to be talking about exactly how you can become a millionaire and like what decisions you can make now so you can go to the highest peak and start performing. So guys, this isn't a short road. This is a long road. Entrepreneurship is not an easy thing. It's not something where you can get rich quick. Some people do get rich quick, but some people don't. So I would start looking into online businesses because that is the best business that's going to let you travel, give you the time freedom that you want and all that stuff. I've done it. I started entrepreneurship around 16 years old back in the day. I started with a bunch of different businesses. I've tried having an Amazon store. I've tried social media marketing. I've tried all different types of businesses. And now I own a big consulting company making millions a year. So I'm going to teach you my process on exactly what you can do and how you can choose a business that's going to be right for you. So I would start looking into things that you're passionate about. What have you done in the past? Maybe you like selling products. Maybe you like creating content, showing your journey on something you're skilled at on YouTube, and start growing that. And that's going to help you elevate subscribers, get views, and that's going to help you sell digital products in the future. So the main thing here is what I do is I sell digital products online. This, you can sell a ton of them because if you're hitting the whole market and there's a product, like say, pretend you have a fitness product and it's like how to get six-pack abs and the product is $100. If you have a YouTube channel, you could sell something like that. Or if you have some type of product that is an Amazon product and it's an actual physical product, you can start selling that on Amazon and start branding that. So you have to build a personal brand in order to sell these things the right way. You could also run paid advertising. My business is based solely on paid advertising. We've spent millions of dollars on advertising, and we do until this day. I would basically go the personal brand route. I would start creating content about the product you're doing, or if you want to create content about you doing something that you're interested in, you can do travel content and then start growing that and start selling affiliates off that, or you can start selling a digital product off that, teaching people how to pack appropriately when you travel or how to be safe in different countries. Like there's all different types of niches out there that you can do in order to make a ton of money. This, obviously, there's a lot of trial and error when you start an online business, but the sooner you can hit the error is the faster you're going to have success. So I've been doing this for over 10 years. And, finally, my last business was my consulting business. It helps me travel the world. It helped me buy the things I want. I live a great lifestyle because I sacrificed early on and I tested different businesses as I was becoming a business owner. Obviously, I went through trial and error and I've done other businesses and hopped out of them because they didn't work. I didn't have good partnerships, but now I have great partnership with my partner. I have a team of 35 people and we're running a multi-million-dollar company per year business. As you can see here are the rewards behind me. They signify how much success I've gained. If you take the action steps and keep failing, you will find the right business. So I would get out there, try something that you feel like you're scared to do. There's a lot of information on YouTube teaching people how to start an online business. Get out there on YouTube, type in how to do this, and then put what you want to learn how to do, and then start taking action. It's all about action. Like I said, if I were to create a business from scratch and I were to teach people a business from scratch to grow something, I would start creating a personal brand. Either if you're good at fitness or you like going hiking or you like going rock climbing, create content on the niches that you like. So if I'm a rock climber, for example, I'm going to show people different techniques for rock climbing, different outfits to wear, different things, like different places to go. This is how you're going to become successful, by building your brand. If you start building your brand, you can start selling products later. I would suggest building your brand first, then figuring out how to do the product size. I went the advertising route when I started my journey, but now, the personal brand I know is starting to see that is what's going to take off in the future. It's going to be a long-term thing, building the personal brand. If you want to become a multi-millionaire, start building your brand online, start doing something that you like. I would start getting inspiration from other people doing it. So if you're a rock climber, you want to start creating rock climbing content, start getting inspiration of people that are already going viral, start looking at those people, seeing what they're doing, start living and breathing this lifestyle, and start really putting into action on what content you're going to create. Start making better content than your competitors, and start coming out content every single day. You should be dropping content on, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube once a week. Start doing this. Then what you're going to do is you'll create a product, and in my future videos you'll be seeing exactly how to create a product, how to do that, how to launch it from start to finish. If you guys like the video, then subscribe down below. Obviously, like, I want to put you in the right direction. I think it's a perfect time to transition. You can start like living the lifestyle that you deserve. You don't deserve to work for someone. You don't deserve to make minimum wage or make a certain salary per year. If you create an online business, you're going to live the life of your dreams. You'll be able to travel. You'll be able to help your family. And, you know, you'll be able to get there just by putting in the work. A lot of people nowadays are going digital. If you see a lot of influencers making money, you can see, like, if you really pay attention to The Rock, he's an actor, and if you see his personal brand, he's making so much money off his tequila because his personal brand is flooding to his tequila brand. So that is the way now. This is a new aged way on how to make money online, is building your brand online and focusing on that. So guys, if you have any questions, put down in the comments below. If you have any questions, subscribe, and hopefully enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you watch the video next to this one.